Hi everyone, it's Phil here from philcarrot.com. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Thursday, isn't it? I never know where I am after Christmas and New Year. Happy New Year to you. Anyway, this video today I'm recording this video because I was speaking with a client yesterday, and and she wasn't aware on how to do this thing I'm about to share with you, because it can have a real impact on your business actually, and it's to do with Google Business, or your Google Business profile. It used to be called Google My Business, and if you're as old as me, you'll probably remember Google Places. But it's the same thing. It's basically it's so if we go up here, Red Chili Digital, okay, which is uh, my other business. So that's it here. This is your Google Business listing. And when you're logged in, and if you type in your business name, you're now starting to be able to manage it from inside of the search panel here. Okay, only you can see this, your business on Google. Because I'm logged in, it automatically detects. You used to have to go up here, okay, scroll down and click on here, business profile. But if you do that, it brings you to this anyway. There you go. So we have to manage it inside of search now. So the thing I'm going to talk about are photos. Okay, photos of your business here. These things here, see outside, and a lot of the time Google will just randomly put on photos. If you put in your address, which mine is, it's not so bad. They should be fairly accurate. But if you're a business where you don't necessarily want your actual address on, you can say things like serve in Belfast or serve in Manchester and Liverpool. Yeah, you can also do that and hide your address. But then they can select random photos, and it can have nothing to do with your business. So how do you actually remove those? Well, it's not as easy as it might sound. Okay, so what you do is you hover over any of these photos. Okay, and so say for example this is maybe not this photo, it could be the outside photo, but it could be a photo of somebody else's business or somebody else's house, and that's not good. So all you do is you click on it. All right. Okay, and so if we have a look at all the photos there, so there we go. So there's lots of different photos. So say for example, it was this one. I thought, oh my goodness, this photo here, I don't like that. So what you can do is you can click on it, and if I've uploaded it, fair enough. You can delete it. There'll be a little delete button up here. But if not, you will have to actually click this flag here, report a problem. Okay, and you have to report a problem with the photo to Google. So you just click on this flag, okay, and you'll get all these different options. Okay, so poor quality, we'll just put something like that, and then you obviously just click in here. Yeah, oh sorry, you click other, and then you can write something there and report. So that's really the only way to get rid of photos. So if we have a look at Street View, so there you go. So look, just a random field. I mean, that's it's just ridiculous. Okay, so that's 12 Castlevigan Lane. That's not even my address. So I'm gonna click flag, and because it's a street view, you get different options. Yeah, so request blurring. Well, I want to, what's wrong? Well, it's misplaced. It's a misplaced image. Okay, and then you would put on, this is not my home address. My home is 6A and not number 12, for example. Okay, and then you would just put in your email address and submit. And it's as easy as that, or as difficult as that. Depends how you want to look at it. So I hope you found this useful. Take a look at the photos inside your Google Business profile. See if there's any that you don't particularly like. If you don't, then just flag them. Get rid of them. Google will take a few business days. They can take up to 2 weeks. but they will send you notification when they remove it. So hope you found it useful. Again, Phil Carrick here from philcarrick.com. Take care. Bye.